See if you could get the name. It's a Rock Island M5. And the really good thing about this shotgun is it costs about $200. But the only thing that I don't like is the safety. The safety is very, I don't know, doesn't really feel right. But one thing that I really like is the pump release. It's right here. So for the guys that are lefty, because I shoot left-handed, it's very easy to hold the gun and press the release. So I kind of like that. All right, let me put some rounds through it. All right, not bad for $200.